Thank you so much, our students, for leading us.
Atithi Devo Bhava means the guest is God. It is a core principle in Indian culture that emphasizes the importance of hospitality and treating guests with utmost respect. Now, I would like to call upon Saurav Kumar Misra for his welcome speech.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Saurabh Mishra of Standard 11, am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to welcome you all at this important moment. It is our third annual day celebration of our school, and we are proud to continue the legacy of celebrating this wonderful day with everyone. Annual Day theme OSS 2024 will very specifically focus on the essential aspect of the right learning environment. When teachers as well as students are excited about learning, it becomes a journey of discovery and a transformation in life. Although the literal meaning of OSS is a green spot in the desert, however, it can also be used to describe as an area in our everyday life where we find joy of gearing towards our aim. Perhaps our school or home is our oasis, where we find our refuge for growth and development. Let us imagine if you are trying to grow a garden in the desert. Just like plant needs the right conditions to prosper, learners require a nurturing environment. It's not just about having access to these resources, but creating a space for 21st century skills such as creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. OSS is a place where guidance, feedback, and mentorship is provided. Well-managed oasis or school can spread life far beyond its original source. All the students have some inborn talent, some in science, some have it in history, and others may be good at sports, dancing, or singing. But presenting these talents over stage builds confidence, courage, and certitude to win. OSS 2024 will allow our students to display their hidden talents. So, how do we know if we are in the right oasis? When we ask ourselves whether we are excited to learn, do we feel supported or encouraged? Is there a sense of affinity and bonding among the peers? If the answer is yes, then congratulations, we have found our learning oasis. In this oasis, so-called St. Anne's Convent School, Mandak, our students have pinned down their unbound thinking caliber, which will be witnessed as towards Horizon Volume 3 magazine. In conclusion, the right learning environment is not just a place of luxury and comfort, but it is a necessity for growth and success. Indeed, the right learning environment and a good school will be our oasis, giving us growth, inspiration, success, and happiness in life. Finally, I would like to welcome all of you for this wonderful annual day, OSS 2024. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Saurav, for addressing the guests.
We are very much honored that in spite of your busy schedule, all the guests are here. Thank you so much, dignitaries, for your valuable time and your presence.
On behalf of St. Anne's Convent School, Mandak, we want to honor our esteemed guests with a bouquet, shawl, and a memento.
So I would like to invite our honorable guest, our honorable chief guest, Sir Atul Khera,
Reverend Sister Sujata Kujur, Provincial Superior of PSA,
Father Fuldev Soring, SJ, the principal of St. James School, Doranda,
our parish priest, Father Prashant Tirki,
Sister Prabha Kullu, the president of the managing committee,
our school manager, Sister Nirmala Jyoti Kachar,
Sister Saroj Ikka,
Miss Vidyana Ekka,
onto the dais. Sir, I request you please come onto the stage. Please, I request all the guests to please put your hands together as they approach us onto the dais. Our chief guest, Sir Atul Gera, who is known as the blood man of Jharkhand. Sir is an active volunteer in many social organizations. Sir, your tireless efforts in numerous capacities made us really very proud. As I would like to give a very brief look over our sir's life. Our respected sir, Atul Khera sir, is an active member in the voluntary groups which is known as the Lifesavers Ranchi, Jharkhand. The Jharkhand Thalassemia Foundation and Jharkhand Sickle Cell Foundation, where sir has given his voice for the patients living with thalassemia and sickle cell anemia. For the last 15 years, sir has allowed his voice for the patients and he is been active volunteer in the blood donation movement. For 104 times, sir has donated by himself. The voluntary organization has done more than 1,890 blood donation drives for the government blood banks. Our respected sir is also a part of lots of state and national organization that includes the government working for blood transfusion services in India. Sir is a doer and believes in action and also advocates issues related to health. And sir never hesitate to take the government hurt with the tools like RTI or pill, and he voiced the public issues through the social media. Now,
So, I request our school manager, Sister Nirmala Jyoti Kachar, to honor our chief guest with a shawl, a bouquet, and a memento.
please put your hands together. We are very glad to have a gracious personality among us, that is Reverend Sister Sujata Kujur, the Provincial Superior of Daughter of St. Anne's, Ranchi Province. Sister, you have surrendered your life in the service of God in the congregation of Daughter of St. Anne's and spread your unconditional love and selfless service towards the poorest of the poor. Our sister was born and brought up in Gumla. She completed the higher education from the Gosler College, Ranchi. She also completed the professional studies from Sikkim. Bangalore is the city from where she has studied psychology. And now our sister is rendering her service as a provincial superior of Daughter of St. Anne's, Ranchi Province. Sister, you are really an ideal for us because your dedication in the field of education as well as in the field of evangelization shows that how much visionary you are and how much hardworking you are in your missionary work.
Now, may I request Sister Saroj Ika, the House Superior of St. Anne's Convent, Bangalore, to honor our guest of honor with a bouquet, a shawl, and a memento. We are very fortunate to have Reverend Father Fuldev Soren, SJ, Principal of St. Xavier School, Doranda, Ranchi. He is a dedicated educationist, sociable, and a caring personality. He has worked as an assistant formatter and shaped so many lives for the society. He also worked as a social worker and filled light of life in the poorest of the poor and needy people. He is a very good basketball player and well known for his hockey skills. He has represented his skills in Subruto Cup hockey. Sir, you have been working in the field of education since 2013 as an assistant teacher, vice principal, and now as the principal of St. Xavier's School, Doranga, Ranchi.
So now I request our lovely Miss Bibiana to honor our special guest with a shawl, a bouquet, and a memento. Thank you so much, ma'am. Our Paris priest, as well as the Dean of Modern DND, Father Prashant Tirki, he is very sociable, very supportive, and also he is always there with us. So now I request
Our school manager, Sister Nirmala Jyoti Kachar, to honor our guest with a shawl and a bouquet.
Sister Prabha Kullu, who is the President of the Managing Committee. To honor, I request Miss Bibiana to please honor her with a bouquet and a shawl. Sister Salome Case, the first Councillor of Provincial Superior. I request please come onto the stage. I request our principal to please honor her with a bouquet and a shawl. Thank you so much everyone for showing this is our love and respect. Thank you so much dignitaries. Please you may have your seats now. Aradhana and Amar to lead us into the next event.
Good morning everyone. Here we all together as a family to mark another landmark of success in the history of one of the leading schools in Manda. We are here to celebrate annual function on the theme OSS 2024. I am Aradhana with my co-anchor
Amar, and on behalf of the principal, teaching, non-teaching staff and students, we welcome you all to our annual day program 2024-25.